Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the title, this is in fact another Louis Vuitton unboxing. I know I really need to stop. This is going to be the last one. Okay, so here is the bag that it came in. There we go. Let's get on to, so I got two things. I'll start off with the smaller one, I guess. Here is the box. There we go. And it's so beautifully packaged. Love it. I'll see if I can just slide it off. Okay. There we go. Okay. Going on. Okay. Here is the dust bag. Any ideas, dolls? To reveal. Ta-da! I got the beautiful Bandeau, the Bandeau BB, and I think this is like the pop one or something, and this is in the gorgeous kind of pastel colors. I love the colors, it's gorgeous. And on the other side it has, this is my favorite side, it's so cute. So cute. And then on here it just says Louis Vuitton. Oh, this is so cute. Like, even if you wear it on your hair or something, oh, it's really cute. But I specifically got this also for my Pochette Metis. And the next item, I'll link all the details down below, and also the price of that Bandeau I believe was 230 Australian dollars. Here is the box. Oh, the receipts. Oh, I'm not joking. The receipt is on here. Okay, here is the box. Now, I honestly, okay, this bag was never really on my radar, and I guess I would say this is kind of like an impulse buy, but yeah, it's been on my mind for the last like 2 months, and I even did like a little poll on my Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, I'll leave my handle here. But yeah, I do like little polls and little questions on there if you want to ask me questions, and if you want to reach out to me more quickly, I am more active on my Instagram, so just letting you guys know. But yeah, this bag has never really been on my radar until just recently. But anyway, let's get on to the unboxing, because I know you guys just want to see that. So this is gonna be hard to undo. Oh no. Okay. I hope you guys are well. There we go. Louis Vuitton. But I think you can really tell what it could be. So here is the item. I feel so like, I'm so sorry, it's been like the longest day. I was in traffic for the longest time, it's insane. And yeah, it's currently 5:21 p.m. here in Australia, and yeah, so here's the item. Don't know if you guys can tell what it could be. Any guesses? To reveal the Clapton Backpack. Oh my goodness. Okay. Wow. Here is the backpack. Oh wow. She is cute. Woo. Okay, so here is a close-up. It comes with a gorgeous clasp. I believe it's from the trunk, and it features like a beautiful kind of beige leather, like the small grained leather, and like a contrast beige, darker beige little panel in the middle, and it has a top handle, which is nice. And at the back it also has a damier bean, and it has the two little D-rings here which you clip as a backpack. So I don't have any backpacks. I haven't worn a backpack probably since high school, I'm not gonna lie. And I noticed that it is coming back in trend, especially over the couple of years that Palm Springs Mini and like the MM, PM, whatever, all those sizes are coming in style. And I saw this one. I wasn't really drawn to it. I just thought it was really cute. But I was like, it's so tiny, it can't fit anything. It does fit quite a lot. And I feel like it can fit more than my Pochette Metis, not gonna lie. And you can wear this in several ways. So you just push it and then it opens up like so. And it has two magnetic kind of little sides here, which is much more easier than the rivets. So just to open it, just pull it. And check out how much room you guys have. And then it just shuts. So your stuff is secure. And there's a bottom so you guys can see. So it is pretty wide, so you can fit quite a bit of things inside. It has the straps, so many straps. And it also has the little booklet. It says here, just there. So that's my little booklet. And then all it has inside is just one pocket at the back. It goes like the whole way to the back. So my iPhone 10 can fit perfectly inside, and as you can see, you can fit like a lot in. I might do like what fits inside soon, but yeah, this bag is too stinking cute. I cannot even deal. So I'll put the straps on and show you how it looks like. I might do some mod shots, I might not. So it comes with two straps here, just like that. It has 8, 9, 10 holes on one strap. So it is very adjustable, so I feel like anyone and everyone can wear this bag. So you grab the little hook and you hook it on to the bag, just like so, and then you put the other one onto the bottom, and then same goes to the other side and the side. So that's how she looks like as a backpack. I'll show you guys mod shots afterwards, and then you can just adjust it to how you want to wear it, because there's so many different adjustments. But the cool thing about this is you take off one of the straps and you attach it to the other D-ring, and it doubles as a shoulder shoulder and crossbody bag, so you can just pop it on your shoulder. I'll do my shots, don't worry. And you can adjust it and wear it crossbody. And so there is a top handle, shoulder bag, crossbody, and backpack. So 4 ways you can wear this cutie. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and thank you so much to my OG babes. I love you guys so much. And I know I haven't been posting a lot on my channel. I'm so sorry. I've just been quite busy as well. So thank you guys so much for watching. Also, if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. And also, when you do, make sure you click all the notifications so that you'll be notified of everything that I will upload, because all the different changes on YouTube are happening and I don't know why, but that is the case. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!